We've got a caller on the line. Let's get the call real quick. Jesse, how can we help you tonight? Jesse, go ahead.
Well, sir, like I say, I was telling the man, my uncle gave me a little Ford Range pickup truck, and that afternoon I got the truck registered and everything, and I'm coming back home that night with it, and it had a bad tail light. I didn't know it at the time. When I got pulled over, well, you left all kind of tools and things like that in the truck. You just said, take it off, son. Well, when it got stopped, they found a marijuana pipe in the truck. Now, it wasn't on me. It was somewhere in the truck. I don't know where they found it, but they charged me with it. Now, I got a statement from the guy that left his marijuana pipe in there that's got a marijuana license. Now, can I still be charged if I show him that statement or something like that, show him what he wasn't mine?
Yeah, Jesse, that's a great question. And for those of you, I want to make sure I can repeat it. Jesse bought a truck, and it got pulled over because the tail light was bad, and he found the police found a marijuana pipe in there, and it was not Jesse's. It was somebody else's, and Jesse has a witness to say that was his, and he had a marijuana card, but it was in Jesse's truck at the time of the stop. How does that work, Rob?
Well, it's going to depend on the state attorney. The prosecution, they may try to pursue that, say you're in constructive possession, but in all probability, from what you're describing, I think with a good attorney, you can probably get that charge dropped. It's explainable that it belonged to the person that left it, and they've given you a statement that says that it was theirs, they did leave it, and they have a medical marijuana card to have it legally, so I think that charge would get dropped, but I would still go talk with an attorney and take an attorney with me to let them go talk with the state attorney.
Yeah, Jesse, you don't want to talk directly with the state attorney because anything you say can and will be used against you, and so you want that mouthpiece in between you, and we got a lot of fine attorneys here in Bay County that can help you out with that. So I hope that helps you out a little bit. You do have an explainable issue, an explainable case, and again, like Rob said, it's going to depend on the state attorney. You might have to actually go to trial on that. And so you want to be able to present your case, and if you're going to do it right, and get you an attorney to take care of that for you.
And Jesse, I had a case like at one time where we sent the guy over to the local doc in the box and got a quick drug test to show that there's no marijuana in the system, and we presented that and got the case dropped because marijuana will tend to last for 30 days or much longer if you've been smoking it for a while. So based on that, if you're not using marijuana, you're not a marijuana user, I would go get that. Go over to the doc in the box. They can do that test. It's only about $25.
Yep. So there you go. All the more reason you need to hire an attorney, Jesse, to think of something like that. I'm an attorney, don't practice in that area, and would not even have thought of that. So that's a great idea, Rob.